As we shared in the main technique video, sentence stem predictions are an effective way to help students connect what they are about to learn in a lecture with prior knowledge. In this activity, students prepare for an upcoming lecture by making predictions following a partial sentence prompt. Here is how you can implement sentence stem prediction in your online course. Identify places in your lecture where students can predict outcomes related to the content. Prepare a worksheet that students will submit in the LMS with a list of partial sentence prompts, such as, I think blank will happen because blank. For a recorded asynchronous lecture, include cues for students to pause the video and complete the relevant section of the worksheet. If you're delivering your lecture synchronously, create a slide for each prompt and then pause and ask students to complete the sentence. You may consider using a polling tool or having students post their predictions in the chat. This activity is great for providing insight into student understanding and can also reveal when and where students have misconceptions. At the Patricia Cross Academy, we encourage you to try sentence stem predictions in your online class. Download our free support materials for step-by-step instructions and additional guidance.